Hi, I'm Richard Nemeth, the bankruptcy attorney in Cleveland, Ohio, and I wanted to talk to you today about a question that I'm often asked by my potential clients, and that is, do I make too much money to file bankruptcy? A lot of clients ask me if they make too much money to file bankruptcy. The answer is not as straightforward as you may think because a lot of factors have to be considered. In 2005, Congress passed legislation which adopted a new way to measure a person's ability to repay debt. Prior to the new law, the judges were responsible for making this determination and whether or not a person should be able to cancel debts in bankruptcy. The banking industry felt that the judges were too lenient and they wanted a tougher standard imposed. The standard is called the means test, and its purpose is to measure your ability to repay debt based on objective standards, not subjective ones. The means test is a form that must be completed and filed with every consumer bankruptcy case. The formula takes the debtor's monthly income and then subtracts allowances for living expenses. In other words, Congress puts you on a budget to determine if you can afford to pay back your debts. They do not use the expenses that you actually pay. After these allowances are subtracted, the formula produces a number called disposable monthly income. And if this number is high enough, then the law requires you to pay at least some of your debt back in a Chapter 13 repayment plan. The means test is lengthy and complex, and it's not possible to advise clients as to the outcome without a significant amount of analysis. However, as a service to our potential clients, we often will calculate the means test for a small fee to see if bankruptcy is an option you might want to consider. If you're interested in having us do this for you, please call and set up an appointment. Make sure to tell our receptionist that you're coming in for a means test review so she can give you a list of documents we need in order to do the calculations correctly.